woke with my hands in my pockets, like I could hide from the day. The sink was full of last night's dishes, and my name felt half far away. I know I should move, make a start, but my bones keep arguing back. The room keeps adding up the damage, while I keep trying to act. Still I button my coat, still I stand by the door, one small breath at a time. That's a start, even more. If my chest feels heavy, I can carry it slow. I don't need a miracle, I need 1 inch to go. I wanna be loved, I wanna be held up, I wanna be loved with my own hands. Give out, I can move, even cracked, even stuck. I wanna be loved, and I'm not giving up. The mirror tells me stories I never asked it to say. It points at the tide in my eyes, then it turns and looks away. But I've got dust on my sneakers and a pulse in my wrist. That means there's still a fire, even under all this. I've been lonely for years, like a winter in my chest. Still I learned how to laugh when the room wouldn't rest. I don't need perfect timing, I don't need clean hands, I just need a little reason to believe I can stand. Still I button my coat, still I stand by the door, one small breath at a time. That's a start, even more. If my chest feels heavy, I can carry it slow. I don't need a miracle, I need 1 inch to go. Leave the line open, let me hear my own voice. I'm tired